Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my god, you guys wow. You guys are too kind. Way too kind. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Alright. Wow. My fake audience are like, they're always so nice, you know? I love you guys so much, yo. I love you guys so much. So anyway, do you know what time it is? Yeah. You guessed correctly. I don't know either. But what I do know is that life as a YouTuber is not that easy. Now I'm starting to understand why a lot of YouTubers are like, well, I quit my job to become a full-time YouTuber. Now I get it, cause like working and having a YouTube channel, it's hella hard. But I'ma pull it off. I'ma be the first YouTuber to be working and being a YouTuber at the same time. I'm sure there are hella people doing that, but that's okay. Anyway, it takes a lot to like, you know, put out videos on a daily basis. It takes a lot, you know. So I guess I'm gonna be doing it. I'm gonna try to be doing it anyway. Like 6, 7 in a week, 7 days, 5. What was I calculating? Okay, anyway, yeah, I'ma just, you know, I'ma just try to put it up daily. Yeah, alright. So, what was I talking about again? Yeah, I was going somewhere with this video. Oh yeah, you guys will never believe what I'm gonna be talking about today. So today, I'm gonna tell you guys some shit that nobody else will ever tell you. And that is the very best way to make money online. You guys ready? You ready? Let's go. Let's just fucking go. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to search Side Hustle Stack. Go over here. This is how it's gonna look like. Side Hustle Stack. Alright, so basically this is like a website where they have like different categories where you could pick a side hustle that suits you. Alright, so they have like, as you can see, so many categories to go through, and you just pick whatever suits you. So let's just say like you know, the most common one, a gamer. Alright, so you got all these platforms which are willing to pay you. Alright, so let's just go through this. So it can be for content creators, live streamers, and gamers. So what happens is you create your own cryptocurrency token to enable you to tokenize your digital brand and services. That's pretty cool. So over here, these are the equipment needed. Of course, you need a computer, good internet connection, and all that. And people actually making money on this platform. 43 people, requires an audience. Most of these platforms don't actually require an audience. It just depends, you know, it depends on what you pick. Alright, and then you got over here, it says your average pay. What people get paid per month, it could reach from $100 to $2,000 per month. Alright, and it's absolutely free to join. So yeah, this is a gold mine right here, yo. This is like the best shit ever. Like, I wish I knew this before. Like, this is amazing, to be honest. Like, I'm sure it's gonna help plenty of people. Yeah, like, seriously, look how many categories are out here. Look at this, so many.
If you don't start a conversation.
This is amazing. So yeah, I guess that's it. The website is called Side Hustle Stack. Yeah, you're welcome. This is like, if this is not the best way, I don't know what is. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys love this video, and this is gonna help a lot of you guys. I'm definitely gonna be trying this. I don't know how I found it. I can't even remember. It was like 5 days ago, some shit. I don't know what the fuck. What was I searching? I was searching about something, and that came up, and I was like, wow, that's some crazy shit. I need to try that. It came through so clutch, right around the time when I was thinking about making money online, and this is what I came up with, YouTube. So, and then this thing came through as well. So I'm just like, yo, this might be it. This might be it right here. So yeah, anyway, I hope this helps you guys a lot, and hopefully it helps me too. Just let me know how it goes for you guys in the comment section. So yeah, this is what I got for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, just thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. DC24.